Hey guys, it's me, Snitchwolf. And today, I'm spinning my camera, we're going to be playing this game. I'm sorry, I've been playing this for a long time. Not on camera, level 30, you can see. But I'm the cat, guys, and I don't know why I'm pooping. Oh! I almost just lost. Holy crap. Where's the door to get out? Oh, that was stupid. Alright, so guys, we're going to do 5. 5. Guys, I'm gonna keep having to move my screen probably to get off these ads. Commercials, I couldn't even see my screen. That was no fair. Alright, go. See? I just realized he just starts. 3. Alright. Wait. This one. Then this one. Yeah, get shocked. Oh. Go now. Alright guys, I think I was on 3, so let's go with 4 now. Wait, this is number 4. After this one, guys, it is gonna be over. Oh, I can make that. Alright, this is number 4. Wait, did they move? Oh! Alright guys, after this one is the end. I will nearly lost. Alright, we should go this way. Let me in! I'm a kitty! By the way, guys, I'm a cat. Go. Alright, guys. I think this is number 6. Yeah, guys, this is number 5, so. I'll see you later, guys. Hold on. Alright, guys. I'll be seeing you later. Is she evil? I think she's ugly. Alright, guys. We're counting one more and then we're gonna be done. This is really hard. Why is my poop still coming out? I did not think I was going to do that on time. With my bare hands. Alright. Guys, that will be it. We'll be continuing this on later. And then that'll wrap it up for this video. And goodbye.